Hi viewers, if you are searching for the best glucometers, here's the list. In this video we discuss the top 5 best glucometers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Prodigy Glucose Monitor Kit. If you're visually impaired, trying to read a glucometer several times a day can feel really frustrating. Fortunately, this monitor can guide you through the testing process and read your results aloud for you. It communicates in 4 different languages: English, Spanish, French, and Arabic. It's one of the best glucose monitors in terms of accuracy, so you feel confident in your reading. It doesn't require you to code new test strips each time, either. This kit includes the Prodigy Auto-Code Blood Glucose Monitoring System, 100 test strips, an adjustable depth lancing device, 10 twist top lancets, 2 batteries, a carrying case, a data logbook, and a user manual. The device itself can store up to 450 readings in its internal memory, and it has a standard USB port that enables you to download your test data to your computer for easier management. Prodigy's Auto-Code Blood Glucose Monitoring System consists of 100 test strips plus a free meter system. Features: no coding required, high accuracy, auto-calibration circuitry inside each test strip, easy to use, speaks in 4 languages. Meter turns on by inserting the test strip. Option for verbal prompts, guiding you through the testing process. Capillary action automatically draws the blood sample into the test strip. Hear and see your test results in just 7 seconds. Approved for alternate site testing. Forearm, upper arm, thigh, calf and palm. USB port for uploading test results. Stores 450 test results. US-based customer support. Limited lifetime warranty. Prodigy Auto-Code Meter. Prodigy No Coding Blood Glucose Test Strips. 2x50 quart vials. Prodigy Adjustable Depth Lancing Device. Prodigy Twist Top Lancets. 10 quart. AAA. Batteries. 2. Carrying case. Owner's Manual. Quick Reference Guide. Warranty card and logbook. Moving on at number 4. We have the Dario Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. For those who are hyper-focused on analyzing trends in their blood sugar reading data, our experts recommend this iPhone-compatible device from Dario. The smart, pocket-sized meter connects directly to the phone via its charging port, so you don't have to deal with any cables or batteries. All results are automatically recorded in the accompanying app on your phone, which also analyzes your results and makes it easier for you to track diabetes-specific metrics, such as carbohydrate consumption, physical activity, and medication adherence. You can even opt to share this data with your caregivers or family members. Point 6. The meter itself is fast and accurate, providing readings in less than 6 seconds. It also features a built-in emergency hypoglycemia alert paired with your GPS location, so you can feel as safe as possible as you self-manage your blood sugar. The kit comes with a glucometer, 25 test strips, 10 lancets, and 10 disposable covers. At number 3, we have the Avon Blood Glucose Monitoring System. When you're testing from the comfort of your own home, it's easier to get a little bit more high-tech with your monitoring system. This glucometer from Avon utilizes cutting-edge test strips that consistently surpass international accuracy standards. The strips are produced using an automatic carbon printing technique, which ensures that they remain both stable and precise. The lancet device used to retrieve your blood sample is also said to be less painful than others, which may help you better stick to your testing regimen. Point 4. The monitor itself fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, is easy to read, and stores continuous 7, 14, and 30-day average results. This kit comes with the Avon DSW Blood Glucose Monitor, 1 battery, 150 blood test strips, 25 lancets, 1 lancing device, a meter use guide, and a test strip user guide. It does not include a control solution. At number 2, We have the AccuCheck Aviva Plus Blood Glucose Monitoring System. This glucometer model from Accu-Chek is well known as one of the most accurate blood sugar monitoring devices on the market. It uses AccuCheck Aviva Plus test strips, which fill quicker with less blood, 0.6 microliters, making it a more comfortable device to use. It has more than 150 system integrity checks that help detect and prevent unreliable results. The device itself is simple in design and easy to handle. Similar to the Contour Next EZ diabetes monitor, it doesn't require any coding and it comes with several customizable test reminders. The AccuCheck SoftClicks lancing device is proven to be less painful than other brands, too, and you can use it on multiple test sites on the body. The monitor's test results are ready within 5 seconds, and it has a downloadable 500 value memory. And finally at number 1. We have the Active Forward Contour Diabetes Testing Kit. This device is an all-in-one kit that includes a Contour Next EZ diabetes monitor, 100 Contour Next test strips, 100 Active Forward lancets, a microLED lancing device, a monitor manual, a data logbook, and a carrying case, making it the best overall. The glucometer itself is both fast and accurate, providing test results within 5 seconds. There is no coding or calibration required with new boxes of test strips. If you tend to forget to check your blood sugar, you can set several reminder alarms on the device. And if you're focused on using your data trends to better manage your diabetes, this glucometer saves pre- and post-meal glucose level test results in 7, 14, and 30-day averages.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.